Hello everyone and welcome to the FIDE World Cup 2021 semi-finals. Let's see the game played between Sergei Karyakin and Vladimir Fedosev. Karyakin has the white pieces and he opens with e4. Fedosev replies with e5. Now knight to f3, knight to c6 and bishop to b5. And we have the Roy Lopez is on the board. Then a6, the Murphy defense attacks the bishop. Bishop back to a4. And now knight to f6. Then white castles and bishop to e7. And then rook to e1. Then b5 attacks the bishop. Bishop back to b3. Then d6. And now c3, then black played castles, and now h3, then bishop to b7, black develops his bishop, then d4, striking the center, and now rook to e8, knight to d2, bishop to f8, a3, h6, bishop to c2 and now d5, then white played d captures on e5, knight captures on e5, knight captures on e5, then rook captures on e5 and now knight to f3 attacks the rook, then rook back to e8 and then e5 attacks the knight. Black played knight to e4, then white played bishop to f4, develops his bishop, then c5 and now a4, then f5, h4, bishop to e7 attacks the h4 pawn and then white played h5 and now rook to f8, then a captures on b5, a captures on b5, rook captures on a8, bishop captures on a8 and now e6, then rook to e8, knight to e5, bishop to g5, knight to g6 and then d4. Now white played c captures on d4 and here black has the very beautiful tactics. Black played knight captures on f2, then king captures on f2, bishop captures on f4, knight captures on f4 and then queen to h4 check and attacks the knight. And now if white tries to protect the knight by playing pawn to g3, but then queen to h2 check and then if white tries to escape his king by playing king to e3, but then queen captures on g3 check and again attacks the knight and this is bad for white. So after queen to h4, white played king to g1 and gives up the knight. Black played queen captures the knight and then d5, close the bishop's diagonal and then queen to g3 and here is the tactics. Bishop captures on d5, queen captures on d5 and queen captures on rook. So white played rook to e2 and then queen to g5 and here comes the final move, queen to d2, offering to exchange the queens and in this position black resigned the game because There is nothing more to be done here. It is very difficult for black to activate the bishop and the rook. And look at these two pass pawns of white. These are very strong and ready to moving forward. So that's why black resigned the game. So that's the game, and thank you for watching. See you soon.